In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice with PayPal in just 5 minutes. Whether you're running a small business or freelancing, knowing how to swiftly generate an invoice can streamline your financial transactions. So let's dive in and make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll need to head over to the PayPal website. Open your preferred web browser, type in PayPal's site link in the address bar, and hit enter. Once the site loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the Login button. Click on that button to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Type in the email address linked to your PayPal account, followed by your password. Remember, it's essential to use strong and unique passwords for online financial services to protect your accounts. After that, you should see the Login button. Click this button to access your PayPal account dashboard. Once you are in, locate the Business Tools option on the main dashboard page. You might find it in a navigation menu or tab. Click on it and then select Show All to see the full range of business tools offered by PayPal. Under the Request Payments section, one of the options available to you is Invoicing. Click on this to move on to the Invoicing section. As you are entering the Invoicing section, you'll see a button labeled Get Started. Click on that and then you'll want to select Create New Invoice. This will bring you to a form where you can start personalizing your invoice with all the necessary details. Now it's time to fill in the details. Start with the customer's email address. This is crucial as it's the primary means through which your customer will receive the invoice. Following that, add other relevant customer details as necessary. It's important to double check this information to avoid errors or misdirected invoices. Then fill in the invoice's contents. This includes the item descriptions, quantities, and prices. Be detailed with your specifications to ensure there is no confusion regarding what the invoice covers. It's these details that help both you and your customer keep track of the transaction efficiently. Consider adding a logo, selecting a template, or including a delivery message if needed. This not only gives a professional feel to your invoice, but can also provide your customer with important instructions or additional information. Before you send it out, preview the invoice to ensure everything looks as it should. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, hit the Send button to forward it to your customer. Additionally, after creating the invoice, PayPal provides an option to share a direct link to it. This can be very handy if your customer prefers to receive invoice communications outside of email. And there you have it. You've just created and sent an invoice using PayPal, all from the comfort of your own home or office. With this swift and efficient method, managing your business finances has never been easier. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.